Hey everyone, September is here and it's not just another month, it's a gold mine for crypto enthusiasts who are looking to maximize their airdrop earning. This month offers the potential to earn from 5 different boards, each with unique opportunities to boost your crypto wallet. So don't settle for just one airdrop when you can stack up rewards from multiple sources. So in this video, I'm going to give you the detailed breakdown of these boards and how you can make the most out of them. So the first airdrop that we have is called the Rocky Rabbit. So this is the bot that's already generating significant attention due to its high trading volumes and strong community support. The key to maximizing your earnings here is your consistency. So you need to engage into the daily challenges, level up your cards and aim for the giant companionships card. Each level you unlock brings you closer to the higher earnings, which will skyrocket once this bot lists. Even if you are just starting now, there are still time to catch up. Focus on leveling up to maximize your rewards when the airdrop hits. Now the second airdrop that we have is called the Battle Bulls. So a bot that appears similarly to the hamster combat. The strategy here is straightforward. You need to complete the daily puzzles and tasks, then you need to convert your coins into hourly earnings. The more consistent you are, the larger your payout when the airdrop goes live. Battle Bulls rewards those who stick with it, so make sure to stay on top of your tasks to see the substantial returns. Now the third airdrop that we have is called Cats. So Cats is a sleeper hit among the bots thanks to its simplicity and potential for big rewards. The bot requires just one-time setup of the tasks, after which you can set it aside until it's time to cash out. So with over 16 million users, the airdrop could happen anytime within the next 10 days and the potential earnings are enormous. So this is the perfect bot for you who prefer a set it and forget it approach. Finally, we have the next airdrop that is from 2 Market. So there is a 2 Market, a bot that's all about farming. So you just have to set to drop in just 2 days. So this bot offers frequent payouts to the user who collect coins every 3 hours and solve daily puzzles. Staying active with this bot could place you among the first to grab your earnings once the airdrop goes live. So times is of the essence here. So you need to be sure to participate consistently to maximize your returns. Now, September is shaping up to be an exceptional month for airdrops with opportunities to multiply your earnings from multiple boards. So by engaging with Rocky Rabbit, Battle Bulls, Cats and 2 Market, you can diversify your income streams and see significant returns by the end of the month. So don't miss out these opportunities and get your wallets ready, complete your task and be prepared to see your crypto earnings multiply like never before. So if this video helped you out, then you discovered the new ways to boost your earnings. So you need to make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more updates on the coming airdrops and crypto strategies. And remember, the link of all of these official boards are given down in the description, which makes it very easier for you to get started. So happy earning. See you in the next video.